Hey, Ian here. In this video, what I want to do is put to the test how quickly can you actually create a page test? How quickly can we create an element? So what I'm going to do is just go to our blog, one of our blog posts, and maybe I want to test an element of the header of one of these posts. So maybe I'm going to go to this post here. Maybe this is the test. This is the header I want to do. So let's start the test. Let's go. I'm going to choose test this page. Of course, we've got no test now, so let's start the clock creating a test. I'm going to select the element that AI is going to do all the work and give me some selections. You can see we've got some good selections here, and again, vibing off of our initial kind of control content. I'm going to put the faith in AI that all of those options are good. I'm not going to select any others or add in my own, and I'm going to choose time on page. And I'm going to prioritize this as the only test I'm going to do and click save. Now I'm going to give it a name and we're going to call it header. And there we go. That's the test done live. And there we have it. 37 seconds. Not bad. Not bad to get all the benefits of that extra user engagement, more time on page, better on-page SEO factors for Google, better discovery, more traffic, perpetual cycle of improving our SEO, CRO in harmony together. Peace, catch you in the next video. Whoa, check this out, 297% better. This is content testing at its best. AI finds, suggests, and delivers the best engaging, converting content with just a few clicks. But wow, my mind is blown, 297% better than the control content. Let's find out how. Hey, I'm Ian from PageTest, and if you're new to PageTest, I want to show you something really cool. Basically, thinking of content testing, but on AI steroids. Letting AI do all the heavy lifting, finding the content, finding the running material, what is going to convert, what is going to engage your users the best. And it's super simple to do, code free. Check this out. So I'm just going to jump over to one of my other sites I want to test. And we have a little Chrome extension here that allows me to test any page on my site. So I'm going to choose the home page for now. And you can see here's all the tests I've created already. And if I want to test a new one, I can just simply click the test button and then choose a bit of content on the page that I want to change. Maybe this strap line here. And what that's going to do is AI is going to look at that content and find best matching solutions rather than discover app building solutions. It's got these 10 different options here, all written by AI. We can edit these or we can untick them and refresh and get more. And we can also choose how to judge engagement, whether that's time on page, scroll depth, whether they click another element like a button, or even whether they visit another URL, and even give it a priority. Really simple AI testing. But even better than this, check this out. So I've been running this in beta for this tool now, and I've added 4 different websites, and you can see only started over the last couple of weeks and building up some of the tests. I'm testing 6 different pages, 7 different tests, and 187 different content variables. And that's so far 11,000 impressions tested. That's users, individual users hitting those pages and different tests being fired at them. And the AI so far has found 8 recommendations. How cool is that? And you can see all the recommendations here, my different sites, the tests, the impressions, and the improvement percentage. Look at this 220% improvement on this particular one test. We're testing the website button. So again, when we went back here, we can see we've got the website button here. Test that was already being created. We've got our control text here, which is generate my app for free, which let's just close this down and have a look here. We can see here we're already looking at a test right here, right now. We're seeing develop my app at no cost, which will be one of the area, this one here, which actually is performing 37% better than the control content, but the winning content 297% better. That's generated 11 clicks from the impressions so far versus the control content only 2. Make my app free and easy, much better than generate my app free. according to the user visiting this page, which just shows you a quick example of how effective page tests can be. Let AI do all the heavy lifting. In this case, we're looking at success criteria of a clicking of the button, or the actual button text we're testing. But like we saw, it could be, a blog title and the scroll depth, or whether they get to the bottom, or how long they're on their page. Lots of different ways to judge engagement using this tool. And as you saw there, so simple to create tests using the Chrome extension. We've got WordPress plugins, Shopify apps to be able to enable you to start doing these page tests. And also any other website, we've got our JavaScript snippets. It's very simple. You can just grab the snippets, add the snippet to your site, and bang, you're off doing live tests without any coding, without any technical know-how. Let AI do all the heavy lifting and find the best content that's going to engage your users and convert them. CRO at its best. See you soon. By the way, did I also mention we've got a free for life plan? That's right, free, 10,000 impressions per month. Get started today. Why are you waiting? Come on, let's go.